December the 31st, 2013. An unusually large number of high-profile earthquakes sprung up across the globe over the weekend, causing extensive damage to a roadway in Mexico and leaving residents shaken in the US Saturday. An earthquake near the Mexico-US border collapsed chunks of this 300-yard stretch of highway. Matthew 24, 6-8. For all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, and pestilences, and earthquakes, in divers places. All these are the beginning of sorrows.